Babu Rao, MM of LIC. Sir, first of all, I want to ask you that how do you feel being MM of this mighty organization LIC?
Yeah, it's a great pleasure to me to be a marketing manager of this mighty division. It's a great opportunity for us to serve two districts in the area of marketing, and it has been giving us a lot of satisfaction.
Sir, how do you feel being LIC?
I'm very proud to be LICian because LIC is there for in the service of many people, particularly with a great cause. LIC has been nationalized in the year 1956, and now LIC is formulated for the purpose for which it is formulated is now being served.
What do you think? How is the future of LIC in these both districts?
Yeah, it's for sure. LIC has a strong base in both East and West Godavari districts, and we do have around 12,000 agency force. And with this strong base, LIC's penetration further into every nook and corner of these two districts will be a great in the current financial year also.
In what way you are planning to serve these both districts through this mighty organization LIC?
We do have a partner regular policy service. We do have some social obligations, and we are very seriously undertaking, as it is rightly put in. Today Golden Jubilee Fund is available, and Rajahmundry division has taken very seriously, and it has already given one van to one Zion institution where it is serving dumb and deaf people and blind people also available in the school. That way social service, our Rajahmundry division is in always forefront.
Sir, I would like to ask you your personal experiences and personal achievements.
Yeah, personal achievements we do have here and there. That in the current financial year, the given target is 4,20,000 policies. We are making ahead in the area of performance in number of policies, and premium income also we are given with the target of 370 crores. As of now, we have crossed around 265 crores, and we are very confident in the current financial year we will definitely reach our targets.
Sir, being LICian, how do you feel? Means in what way? Your ideas, your personal ideas. What are your personal ideas to be put front in LIC?
Yeah, personal ideas in the sense, apart from this, we are undertaking many other activities in Rajahmundry division. Particularly during Insurance Week celebration also, we have involved all people from all areas of operation, and with that a lot of awareness we are trying to with
Organization will try to eradicate poverty.
you mean the organization LIC?
Yeah.
Yeah, LIC on its own, yes, I think I can very proudly say that it is corruption free organization, and people working in this organization are all committed people, and they have their own values in the organization. Certainly organization as a whole, we are corruption free, and with which I think we can become example to outsiders also to be more corrupt free.
What are the services provided by our mighty organization LIC to the youth and for the children?
Youth, yes, and LIC has been taking care of in this particular area, both for the people who are in a position to pay us premiums. Yes, I think it is supporting in the way of its payouts when it is due to the people for their education, and below poverty line also LIC has taken up many areas like from our Golden Jubilee Fund, LIC has been sanctioning scholarships to all the people, those who are not in a position to pay their fee, college school fees, and that way it is helping the society, and it's trying to bring up the youth in India, and we do have many good number of policies available for children and youth also.
As this generation is a mechanical generation and technology is developing day by day, what do you think? How is LIC coping up with this technology?
Technology, any institution, it has to take the support of technology today. With the size of the organization, more technology is required, particularly in LIC. It is much more required because our customer base is very high, to serve or to give a better service to the people, yes, I think we have to resort to this technology upgradations, and I'm very proud. Our institution is the second in India to have technology in a bigger way. And LIC with this technology has been serving the customers very efficiently, and now LIC is getting a feedback that the satisfaction levels of the customers is very high.
What are the services provided by our mighty organization LIC to the children of LICians?
Children of LICians as a separate segment, no, it is not taking up anything, but as a whole, children segment is very important for us in the organization, and it has shown views towards this children segment. For that, many policies are formulated, and through which I think we can definitely serve better to the children.
Finally, I would like to have your personal views and personal message to children and youth of this mechanical generation.
Yeah, children who are going to be a future generation to take up higher responsibilities to develop this country. The country's development is totally depending on youth, and my only suggestion to the youth is let us not carried away with all medias which they are now coming across, and they should have their own opinions and views to be a better citizen of tomorrow. And for that, I think India is also much concentrating on youth to develop them for their better service tomorrow for India.
This is my pleasure to have you in my interview, sir. Thank you. Thank you for sparing your wonderful time and valuable time with me.
I also thank you very much because it's an opportunity for us to express our views, and thank you, my dear boy. Thank you.